Welcome to the vADz Custom Video Editor. This video is meant to show you how to use the different vADz transitions. Under the Transition tab, we have 8 different transitions labeled to show the different effects they create. You can use a transition to transition between 2 different video clips, 2 different images, or between an image and video. To use our transitions, you'll have to drag and drop the transition you want into our transitions line. Now, you have to figure out what you would like to transition between. For example, I'm going to have an image clip transition into and out of one video clip. On this example, you need to make sure the transition box lines up with the image that I'm transitioning. You can also use the transition to where it transitions from the video into the image. You're also able to select the transition box to change the direction of the transition. So you can transition from the bottom video line to the top as well. For example, I'm going to use the same setup and then transition back up into another video clip. You can do this several different ways. You will always want to make sure that the transition box lines up with what you are trying to transition into or with. For example, here's what happens when they are not lined up. Here's another example transitioning in between 2 different videos. You're able to get as complex as you'd like with many different transitions. For example, just make sure you're lining the transitions up correctly. And here's one last example to help with different creative ideas. Please notice how everything lines up to create a smooth, transitioning effect. That finishes the overview of how to use the vADz different transitions. Make sure to check out some of our other videos for great tips.